Hello friends, I am Sandeep Raste, Assistant Professor in Department of Electrical Engineering, AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Topic is Basics of Electric Circuit. First point, electric circuit or network. An electric network is an interconnection of electrical component, for example, batteries, resistor, inductor, capacitor, switches, transistor, or a model of such an interconnection consists of electrical elements, for example, voltage source, current source, resistance, inductance, capacitance. This is a simple circuit of simple electrical circuit. Second, loop or mesh. A closed path in the circuit which does not contain any other closed path inside it. So in this circuit, there are one, two, and third outermost. Third loops or mesh is there. Third point, node or junction. A point at which two or more elements are joined together is called node. One element and second element joined. So in this circuit, overall four nodes are there, like A, B, C, and D. Next is active network. An active network contains at least one voltage source or current source that can supply energy to the network independently. Next, passive network. Passive network do not contain any sources. They consist of passive element like resistor and capacitors. Next one, linear network. A network whose parameters, that is elements like resistance, inductance, and capacitance, are always constant irrespective of the change in time, voltage, and temperature. Non-linear network, a circuit whose parameters change their value with change in time, temperature, and voltage. Next one, bilateral network, a circuit whose characteristics, behavior are same irrespective of the direction of current through various elements of it, is called bilateral network. Unilateral network, a circuit whose operation, the behaviors is dependent on the direction of current through various elements, is called unilateral network. Next one, lumped network, a network in which all the network elements are physically separable is called lumped network. Next one, distributed network. Network in which the circuit elements like resistance, inductance, etc. cannot be physically separable for analysis purpose is called distributed network. Thank you.